Let me tell you something. That right there, that's important. Welcome back to another video here at Chris Rod Garage. We're in a different location here today, and it's pretty much gonna be because we're working on something a little different, just a little different. But before I tell you why it's so different, listen, if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this particular video. And if you're brand new here to the channel, hit the sub button down below, man. Let's get it. So the reason that we're working on a different, So the reason that we're here in a different location is because my uncle invited me over so I can help him out with something that, you know, is gonna hopefully benefit him in the future when it comes to his car. And right over there is gonna be his 2008 Jeep Wrangler. I believe that's a Wrangler. So if I get that wrong, my bad. I'm not a Jeep guy, but hey, it's a beautiful looking truck. But the reason that I'm here is so I can help him set up one of these products. And that product's gonna be, I believe this is called a LIFTnGO. A LIFTnGO setup, which is pretty much a form of a jack to help raise the top, right? You see that right there. To help raise the top, or at least the roof of the truck. That way he's able to, you know, as he is on his own, able to remove the top and just drive his truck without having to have an extra hand. But in a sense, this LIFTnGO is gonna be the extra hand. So we're gonna build this up, assemble it, do what we have to do, then see how well it works afterwards. Okay, what's nice is we got our China freight set over there. Did I even speak English? We got the China freight set right over there. That sounds better. We got that, got a LIFTnGO. Gotta remove this and see what we got going on. Fantastic. Sure, we saw the picture. We can do this. See these instructions, dog? Casters, legs. Oh, that's the bottom piece. That's good to know. Huh. And I see four, oh, there's four. So where's the fourth? 1, 2, 3. Tree. I don't know. So I have good news as I found everything, or I've been opening more packages. We found another leg, so we're gonna bring that over there. But something that I'm gonna do is kind of pre-assemble everything together. That way that I could just pretty much record me tightening everything and getting it all in one piece. So I got some organizing to do, so I'll be right back. So currently right now, all we have is just a little pre-assembly going on. Nothing here is tight, you know, tight. But so far this, you know, installation or this assembly is coming together. Pretty simple. Instructions, great. You know what I'm saying? Unhooking it up with the beverage. Let's go. Got the bed. Look at. Oh, can never go wrong. Ah. Did I mention it's hot out? It's hot out. All right, little flip. That's all torqued. Got everything assembled. Then pretty much our next step is to put our jack portion, and we have 2 bolts. That's gonna go hither through. I need the Allen key, which is over there. Double flip. Wow, did you see that? Oh my goodness. That's not gonna work. One thing I will say, what I like about this is that it has, you know, metal gears, no plastic. We don't need that shit, man. Metal gears, perfect for longevity. That is interesting. Did I need a sleeve of some sort? Actually, what a goof. What a goof, man. This will go like this. Ah, nice. It's funny, as I grab the bolts from the ground, I see right here, it says this side up. So that's gotta be better. Next thing we gotta do is put on the, I didn't want to call it a pegs. Let's call this posts. I think those are posts. We'll put the post on, and then we gotta put the pins onto the post, and then we're pretty much done. 4-door users. The 5 posts must be installed after the hardtop is removed. So that's a 4-door. So more doors, more whores, we will get it on there. Oh, almost lost it. So one of the things is that I myself just got a nice little lesson on how to use this. So now let me show you guys how to go about it. So here's what we gotta do first. All right, so now one of the things you really wanna do is not have that centerpiece in the device or this machinery. And the reason is pretty much gonna be because you gotta think about it, because you know, I just got this lesson. If you have this piece trying to go all the way in, you're gonna have the beam literally in the way. So that's not good. And with that not being good, you wanna pretty much make sure every single post is on, you know, 4 corners, then you can lift it and remove the whole thing. So firsthand, we're gonna jam this whole deal inside the Jeep. Now that we're fully inside, you know, we kind of want to level this as much as we can, and pretty much we're good right about here. Next, we got our little pins. Adjust our pins properly, just enough to where this could be nice and sturdy. So you can't really see it because it's all like up there, right? But pretty much once you align it, just get the cranking, you know? Just crank away, look at what you're doing, get the whole top off. And slowly we can pretty much see, we got a lift over there, a little bit lift here. Now here's the kicker. Because now we got officially some more room, we can actually put this little 5th piece on here and make sure that it's stabilized really well. So it's pretty easy. But there we have it, guys. This is it. This is pretty much how this completely works. Fully assembled, pretty stable, one-man show. Guys, this is, if I'm being honest, if I was a person to have a Jeep or a Bronco, because ideally that's what, you know, those are the kind of vehicles that typically would have this, you know, detachable roof situation. If I had any of those vehicles and there was something that I can use where I didn't have to rely on anybody else to remove the roof, I'd probably buy this. I don't know how much this costs, to be honest with you, but I'll be sure to check everything, you know, as far as the info. I'll look in Amazon to see, but it's the LIFTnGO, and whatever price point it's at, I would get it. I'll be honest, I would. Speaking of the pricing, how about we talk about some pricing, huh, Chris? That sounds like a good idea. And speaking on the price on TopLift Pro's LIFTnGO, the price point on this puppy is going to be pretty much $579, so $600. Now, it's on the little steeper end, but if I'm being honest, for that price point, you're saving your back, saving your body, and you don't gotta rely on anyone. So I think that's a win. And if you're interested into picking up one of the TopLift Pro's LIFTnGO set, it's pretty simple. Check out the affiliate link down below. That'll help support this channel and me when it comes to doing more car content for you guys. Let's get it. But with all that being said, if you guys find this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like. And don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. Until next, my boy Chris Rod, and I see all you beautiful people in the next one, man. Peace. Pero no la maltrate, no es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para la nube.